welcome back to Kiroky Fraco's channel, and this is Rose.
Hello everyone, this is Rose. Sorry about my audio, I encountered some technical problems. But anyway, this past few days I've been eyeing 3 beautiful items, pieces from Mango, but unluckily no available physical store in my area. So I ordered it from Zalando, my on-the-go shopping site. But this is not a sponsored video from them, so I'm not discussing more. Anyway, our first item is this red tweed blazer. This is really beautiful. Materials are made from 49% cotton, 40% polyester, and 10% wool. It is also decorated with pockets, accessorized with the same color buttons. It is lined inside. Got this in size S. So our second item is black regular straight trouser. It is more on relaxed fit. The material is made from 100% polyester. I think it's made for tall women, but no worries, I can make length alteration. Got it in size S and still loose and very long, so this one is for exchange. And our last item is jersey in light cream beige color. The fabric is amazingly thick but soft, never feel itchy at all even without base layer. The collar length is just enough to cover the neck, no extra fabric that make your neck bulky. So let's try the clothes and let's see. Using here my high-heeled ankle boots, but still the trouser is really long, as you can see. OMG, this tweed blazer is really pretty, aside from of course that it is in red color, which is my favorite. It is also in size S that fits me really well. Try to accessorize with my shoulder bag, which is white, and I think it looks pretty here. And then here is trying also with my another shoulder bag, which is in black color, and it also looks pretty. I forgot to mention that this trouser has no pockets, no side, no back pockets. So if you are up to pockets with your trousers, well, I think this one is not for you. So overall, this set is really pretty, and I think I can use this with my incoming parties. So thank you guys, and see you on my next video. Bye.